If you're looking for a way to automate follow-ups in TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to set up automated follow-up workflows, save time, and never miss an important follow-up again. Stick with me to the end, where I'll reveal a great alternative that might be a better fit for your specific needs. First off, automating follow-ups in TeamGate is a game changer when it comes to staying on top of your leads. The first thing you'll need to do is head to the Automation section in the settings. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find options to automate tasks like sending emails or reminders. It's fairly straightforward, but there's a catch. If you're not using a dedicated automation tool or workflow builder, TeamGate's automation may feel a bit limited. Next, once you're in the automation area, you can create rules to trigger specific actions. For example, if a lead hasn't responded in X days, you can set up a follow-up email or task. The system allows you to customize the message and even the timing. It's all about ensuring your leads don't fall through the cracks. But keep in mind, while TeamGate is user-friendly, its options can feel basic compared to other CRM tools that offer more advanced triggers and conditions. Now, let's talk about creating a workflow. TeamGate allows you to set specific criteria, like the lead stage or deal value, which helps in sending the right message at the right time. The automation can be triggered when a deal moves to a new stage, ensuring that follow-ups are relevant. The big problem, though, is that the follow-up emails are relatively simple and lack personalization features. For a higher level of customization, you might need an external tool. The next thing to consider is notifications. TeamGate can alert you when follow-ups are needed, but you can't fully automate every aspect without manually tweaking the workflow. It's something to keep in mind if you're expecting more hands-off automation. The fourth thing to mention is the limitation in reporting. While TeamGate gives you a basic overview of your follow-ups, it doesn't have in-depth analytics on your follow-up strategy's effectiveness. Without proper reporting, you won't know what's working and what's not. So, what's the best solution if TeamGate's follow-up automation doesn't meet your needs? I've got you covered. There are some alternatives out there that offer more robust features, better flexibility, and enhanced reporting, specifically designed to optimize follow-up processes. I'll get to those alternatives in just a second. Before we wrap up, I wanted to let you know that through our link in the description, you can get an exclusive extended free trial for TeamGate CRM, so you can try the automation features and see if it works for you. But if you need something with more powerful automation and reporting, make sure to check out the alternatives I've mentioned below, all of which come with free trials too. These alternatives have some extra benefits that might be just what you need to truly optimize your follow-up processes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.